Hello everyone, hi Virgo, it's sign. This is your reading, December weekly reading, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your messages and what's going on, Virgo. It's sign. Energy could be vice versa. So take what resonate. So let's see. Okay. So let's see your reading, Virgo. I think I'm seeing two persons here. One is past person coming back to you, but one is new person. Because King of Cups with Knight of Cups, the past person coming back to you, but they're very slow moving energy right now. I think there are some disturbances between you and your person, because one person in this connection is very sneaky. It could be your old person or new person. So I think the past person I am getting, because now they are coming back. Definitely there is some sneaky energy. For some it could be your new person also. Definitely one person in this connection is sneaky. They are playing games with you, and they may be cheated on you, lied to you, something sneaky energy. For some it could be third party situation also. Yeah, because in past Pisces, the moon, definitely there are some misunderstandings. Your person may be hiding something from you, Virgo. Yeah, but now they're coming back for passionate new beginnings with you, because they are very attracted to you. But you stand by your power. King of Wands. But I think the new person really, one person in this connection is really loves you, because King of Cups with Gemini, but one person is sneaky. I am seeing two persons. Okay, so take what resonate and leave the rest. But one person is very having strong emotions for you, and they want to offer their love to you. But if new person is sneaky, definitely your past person is very genuine and they have strong emotions for you. Okay, take what resonate and leave the rest. Yeah, your past person is coming back, and Page of Pentacles, some communication, some messages. They want to test the waters first, then they will come back. And Knight of Cups, definitely the past person has strong emotions for you, because Knight of Cups means love. Definitely there is love between both of you. For some, you know, person have also emotions for you, but there is some sneaky energy. Definitely one person in this connection is sneaky. Okay, Seven of Swords, false communication, miscommunication. Page of Pentacles, definitely some communication is coming, some messages. So Queen of Cups, I think you are very giving and sharing person in this connection, Virgo. Yeah, you only the person in this connection, always giving, but you are not getting in return. But once for some there is separation between you and your person. Yeah, they're coming back now, realizing your worth. For some, another person is also attracted to you, and they are also coming with love offer. So you have two options, what I'm getting here, Virgo. But in these two options, one person is sneaky. Okay, you have to be careful before making any decision. So here your person could be fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air energy, or earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and then near future action towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. So let's see, Virgo, your person current feelings. Later we see their actions. First we will see their current feelings. High Priestess, the Fool, Nine of Wands. They are listening to the higher self, their intuition, your person right now, and they want in your brand new beginnings with you, and they won't give up on you. Nine of Wands. I think in past your person may be guarded up, but now they don't want to give up on you. And the Fool, definitely they are thinking about new beginnings with you. Virgo. Yeah, because this time their gods guiding them. Definitely they're trusting their higher self, they're trusting their intuition. Yeah, they want new beginnings with you, they're thinking about new beginnings with you. So let's see their near future actions towards you. Virgo, your person near future actions towards. Nine of Swords, Four of Pentacles, Eight of Wands. Communication. Yeah, I think what I am seeing here, your person having hard time to express their feelings in past. Four of Pentacles, but now they want to express their feelings because this time the Pentacles is straight line. Definitely, because in traditional deck the Pentacles like this, but now in this deck definitely they want to express their feelings. So I am viewing this card like this, they want to express their feelings. And Nine of Swords, definitely they are feeling very very sad if you are in separation, if you are not talking, and they are thinking about you a lot. And Nine of Swords, especially at night times, they're thinking about you a lot. When they are alone, they're thinking about you a lot. And Eight of Wands, definitely they want to express their feelings with Eight of Wands with the Four of Pentacles. Yeah, communication, they want to express their true feelings to you. And yeah, something change, something in your connection is going to be changed. Definitely there is some change is coming, because Eight of Wands means change is coming, but it is coming very fastly. Okay, there is no delay what I am getting here, because Eight of Wands is fast moving energy. Definitely there is some communication, and you both will communicate back and forthly in near future. So you or your person could be a lot of fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, earth energy. Yeah, they want to express their feelings, and they want new beginnings with you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Outcome, Virgo. Justice. Wow. You or your person could be Libra also. King of Wands. They are very very passionate about it. I think you both are strong couple. What I am getting here. Stubborn also. You both could be. There are some ego problems also between you and your person. Wow, Six of Cups, Three of Wands. Yeah, some waiting game. Waiting game is going between you and your person. Definitely your person also waiting for the right time to come towards you. And for some it could be long distance relationship between both of you guys. You both lives in different city, different countries or different states. Definitely there is some traveling involved in this connection. And Justice, definitely they want second chance and they want reconciliation with you. And King of Wands, yeah, they're very very passionate about you. There is a lot of passion between both of you, and I think you both are very strong couple. Yeah, I think there is maybe some delay in reunion because Three of Wands is waiting. Definitely one person turned their back from the other person in this connection, but the other person wants second chance and reconciliation with that person. I think your person want reconciliation with you, but you turn your back from your person. Virgo, take what resonate energy, could be vice versa. Yeah, but there is some second chances. For some there will be reconciliation, some new beginnings are going to be happen depending upon your situation. Okay, definitely I am seeing some new beginnings between both of you, those who are not in third party. Okay, so Justice, you or your person could be Libra, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, I think communication is the key here. Definitely you will both communicate back and forthly. Yeah, your person, I think you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other, Virgo. Yeah, you feeling this soulmate connection with one of the person in your reading right now. There are two persons I am seeing. One could be new and one other could be past person. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Virgo. 10 of Swords, Shower, and 9 of Pentacles, King of Swords. I already told you, you are the honest person in this connection. Definitely you always speaks truth. And yes, honest communication this time. Your person want to communicate you, and you also want to give clarity to your person. And definitely you want to give clarity also, and you stand by your power this time. You are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially, because you overcome that pain, because the Tower moment, and 10 of swords. Yeah, for some there is a chance for new beginnings because 10 of swords means rebirth. And tower, definitely there is some tower moment. You also suffering from this separation if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, definitely your person want to take this relationship to next level. Yeah, but you overcome all this pain, what I am seeing here. So for some there is new beginnings. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. King of Swords. See, 2 times King of Swords, Queen of Swords, 5 of Swords, for Princess of Wands. Communication, definitely some messages. 5 of Swords, there are some disagreements and misunderstandings between both of you guys. Definitely King of Swords and Queen of Swords, you both are very strong couple and powerful couple. I already told you. I think you both will communicate honestly this time and you both will express your feelings to each other. What I am getting, some communication. I think you both will get clarity from this communication this time. Okay. So this is the reading for you guys. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Lord of Air Energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So this is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. And thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.